Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to run Facebook ads for dentists. The first thing you want to do is create a Facebook page. So for example, if you don't have a business page for your dentistry, you could go over to the top left hand corner once you're on facebook.com and tap on pages, and from there you could tap on create new page. Here you could enter the name of your organization or business, then the category, and you can also add a profile pic and a Facebook background image right here. A good platform to create these on is canva.com, and canva.com is beginner friendly. All you'll need to sign up is your email address. That's it. Once you have created your Facebook business page, I want you to close out of this, and then from there you're going to go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard, you're going to tap on the page that you have now created, as you can see right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on create ads. After you have selected create ads, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you are going to scroll down and you'll now be able to create your first Facebook ad. But before getting started, I want you to open another tab and I want you to type in Facebook Ads Library. Then you are going to select the first option at the top. The reason why we are doing this is I want you to see some examples of the type of ads that are currently running on Facebook so that you can see how they look and we can also get an estimate of their conversion. So once you have selected Facebook Ads Library, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see country, and you can enter the country that you would like to target. Then you're going to select all ads and you can type in either dentistry or dentist clinic. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the different ad copies that are currently running, and you can see when they started. For example, this one started running on October 11, and at the time of recording this tutorial it is October 13. So you can scroll down and you can see right there, it is normally just a video or a picture. You can see them right there, and most of them, their call to action would be a phone number or click here to learn more, as you can see right here, and they tend to target a specific area. As you can see, this ad is targeting persons in Glendale, as you can see right there. So you can decide whether you like to target persons in a specific area around where you're located or whether you like to go broader. So you have that option when it comes on to Facebook. And by the way, if you do not have a website already, it would be a good idea to set up a website, and a good beginner friendly website builder that you could use is Wix.com. With Wix.com, again, it is free and it is quite easy to set up. All you'll need to do is go on to Wix.com, enter your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you'll be led to a dashboard just like this, and you can type in dentist. Then from there, you'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you'll give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, they prepare your dashboard. Once your dashboard has been prepared, I'll show you what to do next. From here, you'll be able to enter your business name and also your business address. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll be able to set up your working hours. After you have done that, you'll tap on next once more. Then you'll be able to add the services that you would like to offer. All you have to do is tick each box for the service that you would like to offer. As you can see right here, Wix makes it easy for a beginner to set up a professional looking website. Then you'll be able to add your staff members. After you have added your staff members, if you plan on accepting online payments, you can simply toggle any one of these on. Then you'll tap on next. Once you're finished setting it up, All you'll need to do once you're on your main dashboard is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select Design Site. Let me just give this a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, I will continue the tutorial. And by the way, you can also set up your booking calendar if you want. By going over to the left hand menu option, you can set up your booking calendar right here. I've done numerous tutorials on how to do this, so I won't go through that right now. We are going to tap on Design Site right here. After you have selected site, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Once you have tapped on Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see numerous beautiful dentist website templates that you can choose from. I normally tend to choose from one of the top 3 recommended, as you can see right here. All you'll need to do is tap on Edit and then from there you can get started. So now you have an idea of the ad copy that you'd like to create, and you also have a website if you didn't have one before. Now that you have done that, you're going to go back onto the facebook.com and you're going to scroll down. Then from here you'll need to create your ad. The platform that I would recommend that you use to create your ad is none other than Canva. Once you have signed up to Canva, you could simply type in dentist right here. So let's do that real quick. After you have typed in dentist, we could tap on it right here. Then from here, you're going to see numerous templates that we can quickly edit to our liking. For example, you can see right here our dental clinic services. So you can tap on that one and use it if you want. Or you could scroll down, and if you prefer to use an ad copy like this, you could do that. As you can see right there, there are numerous ad copies that you can use that look very professional, and it is very easy to edit. After selecting any one of these, all you'll need to do is simply change out the phone number and probably the photo if you want, and you can also change out the opening hours and also the location, as you can see right there. And by the way, with Canva, while it is completely free, I do recommend that you upgrade to the paid plan, as it offers numerous features and it is also very affordable. Once you have created your ad right here, you're going to go back into Facebook and you're going to tap on Select Media. After tapping on Select Media, you're going to tap on Upload and you're going to upload the ad copy. And you're going to see a preview of how it looks on the right hand column right here. Then you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to add your headline right here. So you can add your headline right there, and you can also add your description right here, and you can also use emojis, as you will realize that majority of the ad copies do include at least one emoji, as you can see right there. So you could add an emoji, and if you're planning to target persons in a specific area, I would recommend that you also add your business phone number, as you can see here. And you can see the call to action that most persons tend to use is learn more. So we are going to be using that call to action. And this is where you'll change the call to action, right where you see button label. You're going to tap right there and you would select learn more. After you have selected learn more, you'll see right here button destination. You can tap right there and you can select website, or if you like to fill out a contact form, you can do that. But we will select website, as we will be redirecting them to our new website. You will simply paste the website URL right there. If you don't want to do that and you'll prefer for them to call, you could simply tap on call now or contact us. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down. And by scrolling down, you're going to be able to set up your audience. So you're going to tap on create new. Then you can enter your audience name. Let's say dentist. Then you can select the gender that you'd like to target and also the age group. So you can use the cursor right there to decide the age group. Then you can decide the location. So let's say, for example, you want to target persons in a specific location in Canada, for example's sake. You could simply type in Canada and you could type in the specific region that you'd like to cover. For example, let's say I would like to cover Canada Way, Burnaby, British Columbia. You could tap on that, and then from there you can see the radius that it is covering, 25 miles. If you would like to decrease the radius and go even more specific, you can do that. Or if you like to increase the radius, you can do that. And you can target different communities, or you can target different locations overall if you want. Once you have entered the location that you'd like to target, it is time to tap on Detail Targeting. And these are the search interests that your potential customers are expressing on Facebook or overall on the internet. So for example, you can type in dentist, as we want persons that are searching for dentists. So you can type in dentist right here. Then you can scroll down and you can look on the different interests. So you can see right there, Eugene, excuse me. So you could simply tap on this one right here. Then after you have done that, if you know any dentist magazine or dentist websites, you could type them in right there. Or if you are doing veneers, you could simply type in veneers right here. So persons that are searching for veneers, you could see if that is recommended right there. Or you can type in tooth replacement or so on. You have different keywords that you can target. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Save Audience. After you have saved the audience, you will scroll down and you can select the duration. So you can select whether you like it to run for a few days to test the ad copy, or you like to test it for a week. Then you'll also be able to set your budget. After you have set your budget, you'll tap on Payment Method and you'll be able to set up your payment method. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Promote Now, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.